These are two of the library's treasures connected to two of the biggest figures in Irish science. This is the Nobel Medal awarded to Walton jointly with John Cockcroft in 1951 for splitting the atom at the Cavendish Lab in Cambridge in 1932. After 1932, Walton came back to Trinity to lecture here, and he spent the rest of his life here and was heavily influential in the promotion of Irish science amongst young people. This amazing little notebook belonged to William Rowan Hamilton, most famous for the development of quaternions, which is the formula that represents three-dimensional rotations in space. And the formula is recorded quite hastily in this pocketbook. The notation came to him whilst he was on a walk along the canal in Dublin, and the first place he noted it down was on Broom Bridge as a piece of graffiti. The second place he noted it down was on the pocketbook. There are also only two pieces from larger collections relating to the work of these scientists, and the library is very fortunate to hold the working papers and notebooks of both of these people, and they're there for researchers to continue to delve into and to research into the future. Both of these men left a huge body of work, so being able to promote that and explore that through the work of the Virtual Trinity Library would be incredibly important for any researchers into the history of science and any researchers springboarding off the work of these two people.
We do have quite a significant collection of Beckett literary works. The collection was founded by gifts from the great man himself in the 60s. He sent some notebooks containing literary drafts of abandoned works, of which in the Beckett oeuvre there were many. But this notebook that we have here is a perfect little treasure because it is an entire archive all on its own. It is the entire physical remnant of the beginning, middle and end of one of the late works called Imagination Dead, Imagine. And it's all encapsulated in one single notebook. It shows how Beckett worked. So he would start off a work, say, in French. And then because he always translated himself, he began to translate it into English. And then you could imagine him thinking, well, hang on a minute, this is actually a separate work. So he continues that work in English and then continues the other work in French and then continues to translate back and forth. And all of this in one single, like a school notebook. From the point of view of Beckett's literary history, amazing. From the point of view of his work process, almost unique. The doodles, the scratching out, the physical appearance of this artifact is as eloquent as any of the words on the page.